Alright guys, so next one I really want to demonstrate to you this one. This is probably my secret ingredient thing. I'm going to be showing you this tool. It's very cheap, available on the website. I cannot believe that I don't sell many of those, because this makes my life so much easier and faster. Anyway, let me jump to this. So I'm going to be opening up the ME 1.0. And please use power tools all the time. I mean, there's so many screws. If you go manually, just calculate how many, while you're opening it, calculate how many minutes of your life this thing will take, and then divide it by 5 using this tool, at least by 5, and just go buy power tools. All right, so opening up the ME 1.0, just the screws on the front, and then you just open this side. I don't know how do you identify, just know that this is the one. Goes to splits like a book. So this is a chip which you want to read and potentially modify, and you do need to remove the sticker off it. And the next thing you do, you attach this adapter, and you look for this corner which is somewhat cut, and the same one exists on the chip. This can be used also to read ME 2.0. It's a little bit more complicated. You need to lift one of the legs, just one, and it's much easier than pulling a chip off the board and putting it back on the board. So once that's attached, you're ready to do your reading. That's it. That's all it takes. I need to now go to my computer, open up the software, and read it, and do whatever I want with it. Just simple as this. So here we go again. This is attached. I open up the software for Orange 5, and now I go boot. But first of all, selecting the chip. So the chip, this is a Motorola HC11 E9 chip. That's the chip which is installed on ME 1.0 and 2.0, 2.1. So the next thing you do is you click the boot. And then you click read. So this is all your data. That's all it took me to get that data from the MCU. This is the fastest way out there, and the devices used for it and adapters are just too cheap to not have them. So this one ready to be put back together. So this thing looks symmetrical, although it is not. So on one side, see those only 2 pins, 2 dots. In the other side, there are actually 4. So same with this bracket. On one side it has 2 pins, and on the other side it has 4. So try not to mess them up. And it goes in very easy. Obviously you put a little pressure but no force, and attach the screws, and you're good to go.